The phenomena works something similar to this. We have 64 level bit, so outer page takes 42 bits, internal page take 10 bits, and the offset of 12 bit, total 64 bits. We can have even a wider capacity of addressing, that is 32 bit, 10 bit, 10 bit, 12 bit. See, basic ideology behind hierarchical paging is simple. We are trying to address more and more. So technically speaking, we'll have one entry which refers to another page table, which may refer to another page table, and which may finally refer to a page which we want to. So there can be a page table 1 going to page table 2, going to page table 3, and from 3 finally we can reach to the data. This is very much possible when it comes to access. The basic advantage of hierarchical paging is we do support huge memory and addressing, but with reference to performance, the biggest issue would be looking up again and again multiple page table would slow down the entire performance. Hence we need to improve from hierarchical paging. Another option of implementing page table and lookup is the conventional hashing. The phenomena is fairly simple. We'll be giving various information like page number, offset, some values. All these things would be hashed. After hashing, index would be given. That index would be given to page table of index. From that will be forwarded to queue of pages. This queue is ultimately implemented as linked list. So here phenomena is fairly simple. Whatever we intend to ask or rather access will be hashed. Index would be generated. That index would refer us to at some particular frame from particular page, and then we will get the data. So whenever we want to perform a lookup, only thing what would be looked up or search would be this linked list, because this would specify a list of all processes marked or hashed at a particular location. Consider this way, that we require page number 4 and at the offset at 73, whatever this may be. So what would happen when given information like maybe page 4 and offset 73? What we would have generated from the hash function is ith location. So from the ith location we would understand that this particular is the queue where your particular page can exist. We will manually search for these pages, and once found, that page would be retrieved. Offset would be given, which will be combined with the offset of the page. Together they will target a particular location in the main memory where data will be hashed. Hashing concept just improves the performance to the next level, because it is not performing a lookup, but it will be performing data lookup directly. That means we are not looking up physical address of a space and going further. We are directly checking where the particular page is. Second thing is, like multi-level hashing, we are not going through multiple tables. We are only going through the area where most probable data would be available, and only the linked list is trying to be accessed and processed. So this is a basic idea in which you will be talking about, or we will be handling address space using hash table.